Welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you ready to learn something cool? Perfect. Let's get started. Hello, I'm Nerdgillent. We use tools like Nerdgillent and 11 Labs for voice emphasis to create realistic digital twins. Have you ever wished you could be in two places at once? Maybe you want to make a YouTube video, but you also want to go outside and play. Today we're going to learn something amazing. How to create a digital clone of yourself. First, let me explain what a digital clone is. It's not a real person. It's a computer-made version of you that looks and sounds like you.
Why would you want a digital clone?
Great question. Here's why it's useful. A digital clone is a computer-made version of a person, not a real one. Think of it like a video game character that can say anything typed. A digital clone looks like you, moves like you, and sounds like you, but it lives inside the computer. And the coolest part, your digital clone can do videos for you while you're doing chores or playing outside. Let's learn how to make one. Here's the secret recipe. First, you need a tool called Nerdgillent. Think of it like a factory that builds digital people. You just need to film a short video of yourself, only about 2 minutes. Step 1, record your training video. The selfie video. Get a camera or a phone. Stand in a place with good light and make sure it is quiet. Record a video of yourself talking for 2 minutes. You can talk about anything, your favorite show, a book, or just introduce yourself. This helps the AI learn how your face moves. Step 2, go to heygen.com. Step 3, click Create Avatar or Upload Video. Step 4, select your 2-minute video. Step 5, give your avatar a name, like My Digital Twin or your own name. Step 6, click Submit or click Create Avatar. You guys did great recording your videos.
Really? That's awesome!
Y'all did a great job.
While Nerdgillent is working, let's clone our voice using 11 Labs.
Step 7, go to 11labs.io to copy your voice. Step 8, click Voices, then create a voice. Step 9, for fastest results, click on Instant Voice Clone. This option allows you to record 10 seconds or more up to 2 minutes of audio. You can even design your own voice with a text prompt. You can also record a professional version of your voice. You will need 30 minutes of clean audio. For now, we will click on Instant Voice Clone. Step 10. You have an option to upload audio or record on the spot. Click Record. You will have a 3-second countdown before the recording starts. Step 11, click Next and give your voice clone a name. Step 12, select labels related to your voice like language, accent, gender, and age. Step 13, enter a description that best describes your voice, and then click Save. Now comes the really cool part. We connect your Nerdgillent avatar with your 11 Labs voice. In Nerdgillent, after your avatar is ready, go to Create Video. Select your avatar from the list. Look for Voice Settings. Click New Voice. Click the third-party voice. Select 11 Labs from the provider list. Now let's go back to 11 Labs. Click on Developers. Click on API Keys. Click Create Key. Enter the name of your API key. Select the options for access or no access. Make sure to read each option carefully and select them accordingly. Once you're done, click Create Key and then click Copy Key ID. Now let's go back to Nerdgillent. Paste key ID in API key field and then click Confirm. Let's put it all together. Watch how I do it first. Now click on Create Video with this avatar. Enter your script or words you would like for your digital clone to say. Click Preview Speech to hear your avatar speak. Hi, my name is Nerdgillent. Now enter the title of your video. Click Submit and then click Generate. Isn't that cool? Now it's your turn, Troy.
Hi, my name is Troy.
You up next, King.
Wow.
Hi, my name is King.
You did it. You now know how to make a digital clone.
Yay, we did it!
Say hi to my AI, kill fit with my 4-5. Promise to no lie, we keep going like 4 tires. Say hi to my AI, kill fit with my 4-5. Promise to no lie, we keep